What's happening, y'all? You know what time it is. Keenan just felt like cooking, and right now I'm outside about to do a quick little grill on some chicken because I'm dying to try Island Boy Spices Tropical Flame. This is a jerk spice seasoning. I've been waiting to try this bad boy, and also I got some shrimp, some pretty big shrimp. Went ahead and threw that Island Sun Rub on there. Like I said, this is not only for poultry, it is pretty much my personal little all-purpose seasoning. Let's get to it. So we got the Char Griller Legacy fired up with that the Good Charcoal Company charcoal, and you see I got the grates pretty high because I want to get a quick little sear. Here go that chicken, seasoned up with Island Boy Spices Tropical Flame, and went ahead and soaked those in some apple cider vinegar and water for about 30 minutes. Rinsed them, and then we went ahead and seasoned them. So as you can hear that sizzle, that's a good thing. And we're gonna go ahead and load these bad boys up. Something like that there. I don't have to do too much trimming on here, so that's pretty cool. It wasn't like too much tendons or anything hanging off. It looked like they cleaned them up before they put them in the package. So, you know, quick little way to try a good little rub out. You know, chicken thighs, boneless, skinless, you know, with the bone in and the skin. Chicken thighs to me is a perfect blank canvas for testing out new product, new rubs, new seasonings, new everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and load these shrimp up off to the indirect side. I'm gonna lower the coals down and close the lid and let them do their thing. So a quick little update. I went ahead and threw in 3 of the Kingsford Basil, Sage, and Thyme flavor boosters because I just thought that'd go well with the Tropical Flame jerk spice seasoning and the Island Sun Rub from Island Boy Spices, and match with this Good Charcoal Company premium hardwood lump charcoal, no chemicals. That should be something magical. Let's check this meat. Okay, we got a little color going on there. Little color, nice little color going on there from that spice right there. That Island Boy Spices Tropical Flame jerk seasoning. Yeah. All right. So them shrimps, you know, they over here on the, on the indirect side, as you can see, and they're pretty big. So, and they already starting to turn a little color. So once these get closer to done, you know, you got your, this is going to be pretty much my cool zone for the chicken. I'm going to switch it over, bring the shrimp over here, hit them off real quick, and then we're going to be ready to taste a little something up in here. All right, let's get busy. So went ahead and moved the shrimp over. As you can see, we're gonna raise these bad boys up a little bit, and we're getting some good color. I'll tell you that much. Island Boy Spices don't be playing. I mean, old boy got some real good seasonings, man. Some real good seasonings. So I'm definitely, you know, I'm not in no kind of partnership or nothing with him. I'm just giving credit where credit is due. And right now, your boy get credit. So we're gonna leave these coals kind of high because, like I said before, you know, this charcoal does burn hot. I think it burns a little quick, and so it's good for grilling. And that's what I'm about to do. Now we about to get the grilling. I didn't had the coals lowered. Let them smoke up, absorb all that charcoal and the Kingsford flavors. Now it's time to grill them off. So I'm gonna shut this, let it get heated, and then we're gonna be back babysitting. Went on ahead and grilled off some chicken, as you can see, and it came out good. It tastes real good. So I'm gonna take a bite on camera for you so you can see just how good it is. All right, so it's a piece of chicken. You get that allspice in there. I didn't trim this chicken, I should have. But that is good, man. It's real subtle. You get a nice little balance of heat in there. That would be a great all-purpose little thing if you want to season up something just to get a little back note and you want to highlight a sauce. Excuse me. Scrumps and the Island Sun Rub. The Island Sun Rub is good. It's like an all-purpose for me. Both of these meats, proteins, was smoked and grilled on the good charcoal companies, lump charcoal, chemical free. That's pretty cool. You could tell by the ash. It's a real clean white ash. And then also I threw in the Kingsford basil, sage, and thyme flavor boosters. Dropped a couple of them in there because I thought it would complement the jerk seasoning, and it did. So that's a real quick cook, quick way to check something out. If you just want to give it a test run, like I said, thighs are a blank canvas for testing anything in the world. All right, y'all be cool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, set the little bell thing, click that, so you know when your boy's pumping out new material. And also check me out on Black Smoke Barbecue on YouTube and Instagram. All right, y'all be cool. One.